We all know the more work you do, the more chances you have to get into sticky situations, to say the least, or family disputes, and everything goes sideways, and having stuff positioned so it doesn't completely destroy everything you worked for. We all
Right.
know, we've all heard the stories. It's happened so many times where something happened and it completely destroyed somebody's life because they didn't have this everything set up how it should have been to protect them. There's legal ways to do that. It's why all of this was created. So you could protect yourself, protect your assets. You got to take advantage of it. Jump on a call with Scott for 20 minutes and figure out what's going on. Are you, who knows? You might get on there and be like, well, I am a damn champion. I have everything set up right. But I'm
Right.
just probably going to guess that there's at least a few different things that need to be cleaned up because that's just how every business is. We get busy, and then next thing you know, it doesn't get taken care of, and it becomes this risk that's just sitting there that at some point in time is going to become a negative in your business. So, Construction Champions, make sure you go check out the website, check out our blog, and be the champion you were meant to be.